Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 20th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Varex. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Varex, a leader in X-ray imaging components, has just released its financial results for the fourth quarter and fiscal year 2024. There's a lot to unpack, so let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Varex reported revenues of $206 million for Q4 FY24. How does this compare to their previous performance, John?
Varex's revenue for the fourth quarter was at the high end of their guidance range, although it represents a 10% decrease year over year. The medical segment saw a 12% decline, while the industrial segment was down 4%. Despite these declines, the company maintained a non-GAAP gross margin of 33% and an operating margin of 7%, which is quite robust given the circumstances.
And what about their cash flow?
They generated $26 million in cash flow from operations this quarter, ending the fiscal year with $213 million in cash and marketable securities. This solid cash position provides them with a buffer to navigate future challenges and invest in growth opportunities.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. John, let's talk about earnings per share. Varex reported a non-GAAP EPS of $0.19, which seems to have exceeded expectations. Can you elaborate on this?
Absolutely. The non-GAAP EPS of 19 cents is indeed above the forecasted around 9 cents from analysts. This outperformance is a positive sign, especially considering the GAAP EPS was a loss of 1.22 per share. The adjustments made for non-GAAP measures, such as excluding certain amortization and restructuring charges, helped present a more favorable earnings picture.
What does this mean for investors?
It indicates that Varex is managing its core operations effectively, even if the GAAP results show a loss. The ability to beat EPS expectations suggests operational resilience and cost management, which are crucial for investor confidence.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Varex has been making strides in technology and market expansion. Can you tell us more about their strategic initiatives?
Varex has made significant progress in advancing technologies like photon counting and nanotubes, which are moving into commercialization phases. Additionally, they're expanding into the cargo systems vertical within their industrial segment, which is a promising growth area.
And what about their outlook for the next quarter?
For the first quarter of fiscal year 2025, Varex expects revenues between $195 million and $215 million, with non-GAAP EPS ranging from 95 cents to 0.10 cents. This guidance reflects a cautious optimism as they navigate market conditions and continue their strategic initiatives.
CEO insights and company response. What insights did the CEO, Sanyal, provide in the earnings report?
Sanyal highlighted that the revenue was at the high end of their guidance, driven by strength in the industrial segment. He also emphasized the solid cash generation and the company's focus on technological achievements, which are crucial for future growth.
How is Varex responding to the year-over-year revenue decline?
Varex is addressing the decline by focusing on innovation and expanding into new markets. Their investment in advanced technologies and the industrial segment's expansion are strategic moves to counteract the revenue drop and position themselves for future growth.
Key takeaways. To wrap up, Varex has shown resilience in a challenging environment, with strong cash flow and strategic initiatives paving the way for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
Varex's ability to exceed EPS expectations and maintain a solid cash position is commendable. Their focus on innovation and market expansion should bode well for the future. Investors should keep an eye on their technological advancements and how they capitalize on new opportunities.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Varex's performance in the comments below.